First, let's set the default measurement parameters by double-tapping the Preset button. Then, let's select the start and stop frequencies. To have a better view of the signal, we will enable the Low Noise Amplification by going to the Levels menu and tapping the LNA button. To change the measurement frequency range on the horizontal axis, the difference between the start and stop frequencies, go to the Span menu. You can tap on the right part of the graph to decrease the span, zoom in, and on the left side to increase it, zoom out. By default settings, the resolution bandwidth and the video bandwidth will be automatically adjusted depending on the selected span. By dragging the graph to the left or right, you can modify the start, center, and stop frequencies equally, keeping the span constant. To change the resolution and video bandwidths, go to the RBW and VBW menu. A narrower resolution bandwidth allows to resolve closely placed signals, but the sweep will be slower. However, a narrower video bandwidth stabilizes the displayed trace, smooths it, and allows weaker signals to be seen better. A wider resolution bandwidth is recommended for doing a quick spectrum scan.